Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix withdrawal issues in SoFi app. First, check your account balance. Make sure you have enough funds in your investment or cash account to withdraw. Next, verify your linked bank account and ensure your bank account is verified and active in SoFi. After that, check for holds or restrictions. Some deposits or trades may be on hold, preventing withdrawals until cleared. Then go ahead to the App Store and then see if there is an update button for available for the SoFi app. If there is, update your app to the latest version and then restart your iPhone to fix glitches. Privacy tip: only withdraw your verified bank account to prevent fraud. Quick fix: if the withdrawal still fails, try withdrawing a smaller account amount. Use Sofi.com through Safari instead of the app. Contact Sofi support for account specific issues, and that's it. Subscribe for more fast mobile finance.